Hey everyone, I'm Sandeep from Abstraxn. Welcome back to the Build Your Own Agent series. In the last video, we built a trading agent that could place Coinbase trades with built-in spending guardrails. Today, we build a transaction monitoring agent. Instead of placing transaction, this agent helps us understand them. It can monitor transaction status, simulate a transaction before sending it, and explain why a transaction failed. This agent helps developer analyze blockchain transaction. It can check balances, gas information, similar transaction before they are sent, and decode failed transaction into a plain English. So let's begin. Before we start, there is one more thing we need to set up. For transaction simulation and transaction analysis, we are using Tenderly. Tenderly let us simulate blockchain transaction without actually sending them to the network. It also helps us understand why a transaction failed by providing details, execution information. Setting it up very simple. Open to the Abstraxn Dashboard, go to the Integrations tab. Here you can see Tenderly. You have to add account, API key, and project, and save integration. That's it. So now that everything is configured, let's continue with the project. So we have already cloned our repository from the GitHub. So if you want to clone again, you can check our previous videos. So let's go to the TX monitoring code base. So you can see here is our leaf folder and here is our agent.ts file. Again, this is the same configuration as previous videos, title, subtitle, capabilities, and other information you can see. So let's begin with the setup. Okay, so let's pnpm install. We have already installed our node modules. So let's go to our examples. Go to 03tx monitoring example. Let's pnpm run dev. Now you can see our our code is running on localhost 3003 port. Let's open this on the browser. So yeah, you can see pre-built UI for the transaction monitoring agent. You can see what this agent can do: get transaction status, tenderly simulate transaction, tenderly explain transaction, get balance, and other information. So let's try this prompt, which is already given by the transaction monitoring agent. So yeah, we have used OpenRouter free LLM. For the better responses, you can use any paid LLM. So you can see here is our tool calling, tool agent, tool get wallet address, tool get balance, get gas info. Multiple tools are calling in this call. So let's wait for the response. So yes, we got the response. It also recommends us the next steps: fund your base poly address, use testnet faucet or request token from a friend, and other information already provided. So this simulation is successfully run. So it also said us we don't have any balance for this transaction. So it simulated already. Uh, so yeah, we can use another prompt for the testing. Let's try another example. Let's go to the base block scout explorer. Use any transaction. So I'm copying this transaction hash. Explain this transaction on base mainnet. Let's wait for the response. So you can see this transaction details. Status is pending, from, to, value, all other things. Let's match this data. Is this the same to address? So yeah, there is multiple to addresses as this transaction is token transferred. Let's match the from address 2E22. So yeah, you can see. So we built transaction monitoring agent using the abstraction agent kit. We fetched balance, gas information, simulated transaction before broadcasting them, and explained failed transaction using real blockchain data, just like every example in this series. We simply change the available tools to build a completely new agent. You can also try another examples. You can also build a more advanced transaction monitoring agent. So yeah, I hope this gives you a better understanding of how to build a transaction monitoring agent using the Abstraxn Agent Kit. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. You can find the GitHub repository, documentation, and blog links in the description below. Thanks for watching this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.